Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of the poem and the name of the poem is A Nation's Strength. Learning the sounds ED sound. Read the given sentences and pronounce the ED sound ending correctly. यहाँ पे ED का जो साउंड है उसमें जो डिफरेंस है उसको हमने रीड आउट करना है. Underline the words with the ed ending and write them in their relevant columns. It rained heavily last night. She laughed aloud. The laborers had loaded the truck. The children jumped on the bouncy castle. Ali asked his teacher a question. They waited for him last night. जैसे रेन्ड, आईडी में लोडेड, वेटेड, ईडी में लाफ्ड, आस्क्ड, जंप्ड. लर्निंग टू स्पीक. रीड एंड प्रैक्टिस द गिवन डायलॉग. Conduct a dialogue on benefits of education. Make sure students choose polite expressions to seek attention. Dialogue on benefits of education. Teacher: Good morning class. How are you? Class: Good morning sir. We are good. What about you? Teacher: I am fine. Today I want to talk to you about benefits of education. Ali: I think it will be interesting. Teacher: Yes, it will be. You know, education is highly important for every person in society. Zain: Yes sir, this is true. I have seen lots of unemployed person around me and these are mostly due to lack of education. Teacher: Moreover, education improves your living style and makes you a good citizen. Ali: You are true sir. I have seen my uncle who is highly educated and he has a good reputation in the family. Umar: Now I will study properly and also tell to my friends. Teacher: That's very good. Everyone should study properly. Class: Thanks sir. Goodbye. Answer these questions. What is a nation's strength? Brave and hard-working men are a nation's strength. What is the message of the poem in your opinion? The message of the poem is that by hard working a nation can become strong. Why is education important for any country? Education is important for any country because without education, any country cannot make progress in any field of life. Look and read the given table of contents of a book, then answer the given question. टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट को देखना है आपने और फिर आंसर देने हैं क्वेश्चंस के. A table of contents is a list of topics of parts of a book. कि ये क्या होता है कि ये एक लिस्ट होती है उन्वानात की किसी बुक के या किसी किताब के हिस्सों की. एंड द पेज नंबर, इस पर पेज नंबर होते हैं ऑन विच दे बिगन, जहाँ से वो शुरू होते हैं टॉपिक्स. अ टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट इज़ फाउंड एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ अ बुक. और ये क्या है कि किताब के शुरू में हम इसको देख सकते हैं. जैसा कि अगर मैं इसी बुक की बात करूं तो ये टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स हैं इसी बुक के. उसमें क्या है कि यूनिट्स हैं, थीम हैं, सब थीम्स हैं, ओरल कम्युनिकेशन है, रीडिंग एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है, लैंग्वेज फोकस है, ग्रामर है और राइटिंग है. और उसके साथ साथ उन टॉपिक्स के पेजेस भी मेंशन हैं. व्हाट इज़ द टाइटल ऑफ द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द बुक? द थर्स्टी क्रो. Which page does the third chapter start on? Page number 9. What is the title of the last chapter of the book, The Red Fat Hen? Read the given glossary. A glossary at the end of the book or chapter include words within that book that are either newly introduced or uncommon. कि ग्लॉसरी क्या होती है कि किसी बुक के एंड पे एक ऐसा पेज होता है जिस पे कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग्स होते हैं जो कि न्यू वर्ड्स भी हो सकते हैं या फिर ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि आम यूज़ नहीं होते. Look up the meaning of altitude in the given glossary and write in altitude, the height above the earth's surface or sea level. Why do we use a glossary? We use a glossary to know the meanings of the words. Take any 10 words from your notebook and make your own glossary. Great, considerable, ample, strong, powerful, mighty, truth, honesty, honor, integrity, morality, stand fast, hold, firm, resist, suffer, bear, tolerate, long, extended, sleep, nap, snooze, dare, courage, challenge, build, construct, assemble. Read the given map and its key to answer the given questions. ये मैप है, अ मैप ऑफ अ हिल स्टेशन. यहाँ पे ये सिंबल्स हैं, डायरेक्शंस हैं और की या लीजेंड है. रोड के लिए ये साइन है, जहाँ पे ये साइन होगा वहाँ पे ये क्या है, ये सारा ये रोड है. फॉरेस्ट के लिए ये साइन है. रेल रोड के लिए ये साइन है, जहाँ पे ये ट्रैक होगा वो हमें रेल रोड बताएगा. इसी तरह से ब्रिज है तो यहाँ पे ब्रिज के लिए ये सिंबल दिया हुआ है. माउंटेन है तो माउंटेन के लिए ये साइन है. और रिवर है तो रिवर के लिए कलर भी ब्लू है और ये हमें पता चल रहा है कि ये रिवर है. की क्या होता है कि किसी भी मैप को रीडिंग के लिए की बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसकी मदद से हम आसानी से किसी भी मैप को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. और ये क्या है, ये डायरेक्शंस हमें बता रहा है, कंपस है. द लीजेंड ऑफ अ मैप एक्सप्लेन्स द सिम्बल्स and tells what each symbol stands for. For example, trees show forest and blue color is for sea, rivers, etc. Cardinal directions are the four main points. ये क्या है, ये four main points हैं of a compass: north, south, east and west, which are also represented by the first letter N, S, E and W. North, south, east and west. Look at the compass and answer the given questions. Write the direction of the mountains from the forest west. Write the direction of the river from the forest north. Write the direction of the railroad from the river north. Read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct option. Dash cannot make people great and strong. Gold. Dash men work while others sleep. Brave. The men who dare while others fly. Great men lift the nation on the sky. Only men can make a nation strong. Read the biography of Quaid-e-Azam and list down his 5 qualities in your notebook. Quaid-e-Azam was a hard-working man. He was an honest man. He was a steadfast man. He was a loyal man. He had love for humanity. Read the given words with their meaning. Honor, great respect for somebody. Izzat, suffer, bardasht karna, to be badly affected by a disease. Dare, jurat, to be brave enough to do something. Strength, takat, the quality of being brave. Nation, people of a country, calm. Write a poem on the topic My Country with the help of the given rhyming words: land, strand, dream, stream, day, way. Who knew that the day of 14th of August will tell the words in a way that both East and West would come to know that there stands a country named Pakistan, a lovely place with sacred lands and a home for a Mussalman, a Qaid's effort, a poet's dream, and a struggle of a human flood, a new beginning beyond a stream filled with the Muslim blood. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words HONOUR honor, PILLARS pillars, BRAVE brave, SUFFER suffer, BUILD build. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun to complete these sentences. Sarah completed her work. Ali left his keys in his house. They worked hard to make their nation strong. Look at the apples, let's go pick them. They drank coffee even though it was cold. Write two sentences with can, cannot, may not each. Can. He can swim in the pool. Can I ask a question, sir? Cannot. She cannot go to school. I cannot solve this riddle. May. May I read this book? He may drive a car. May not. You may not take photograph here. You may not run this business until he has an experience. Use the given adverbs of place in your sentences in your notebook. There, far, east, downstairs, away. There are many fish in the pool. Far, my home is far from the school. East, the city hospital is in the east. Downstairs, I am going downstairs. Away, his house is away the road. Write 5 more abbreviations with full stops in your notebook. Doctor, Dr, Mr, Mr, Education, Edu, Avenue, Ave, Figure, Fig. Read the given poem and write its central idea in your own words. ये poem है और इसका central idea हमने लिखना है. The poet says that I cannot forget that Pakistan came into being by the efforts of my mother, sisters, and those great men who laid down their lives, and only because of their struggle and sacrifices the flag of Pakistan is flying high. Write what you want to be when you grow up so you can serve your country why you want to do it. Everyone loves his country and likes to serve it. It is also dear to everyone. We are here because of it. I want to be a doctor. A doctor serves the lives of the people. He cares the patients, so it is the way to serve the mankind.